Are you looking to increase your revenue and provide added value to your customers? In this video tutorial, we will explore the concept of upselling. By understanding the various strategies and best practices, you can effectively implement upselling techniques to enhance your business or services. Let's dive in. Welcome to the world of upselling. It's all about offering your customers additional products or services that complement their initial purchase. This not only increases your revenue, but also provides added value to your customers. Let's take the example of buying a new phone. The salesperson might offer you a phone case or screen protector, ensuring that your new device stays protected. But they might not stop there. They could ask if you need any adapters or insurance, things that you may not have initially thought about but could find incredibly useful. By always looking for the upsell, you can enhance your customer's experience and boost your profits. While upselling can be incredibly beneficial, it's important to find the right balance to avoid annoying your customers. According to a study, 60% of consumers feel annoyed when they receive unrelated or excessive upselling recommendations. To avoid this, make sure your upsells are relevant to the customer's needs and preferences. For instance, if a customer is buying a laptop, suggesting a laptop bag or a mouse would be helpful, as these are accessories that complement their purchase. On the other hand, recommending an unrelated item like a blender would likely annoy them. Keep in mind that relevancy is key to successful upselling. If you are offering in-person client services, tailoring your offer to your client's specific goals and challenges is crucial. For instance, if you are a personal trainer, you might offer additional sessions to someone who wants extra accountability in their journey. On the other hand, if a client is looking to lose some body fat, you might offer them a nutrition plan that complements their coaching sessions. One of the most successful upselling strategies is to prioritize the customer's needs above all else. By genuinely understanding their pain points and desires, you can offer upsells that are tailored to their specific situation. This approach builds trust and shows that you are focused on providing value rather than just making a sale. Remember, when you prioritize the customer's needs, you create long-term relationships and increase customer loyalty. Always keep the customer at the forefront of your upselling efforts. Timing is everything when it comes to upselling. You need to find the right moment to introduce additional products or services. Research has shown that upselling before the customer has made their initial purchase or selection can be ineffective and off-putting. Instead, wait until they have shown interest or satisfaction with their current purchase. Let's say you have a clothing store. It would be more effective to suggest matching accessories once the customer has selected their outfit and is in a buying mindset. This way, you can enhance their overall shopping experience and increase the likelihood of an upsell. The question of whether to ask for an upsell before or after the sale doesn't have a simple answer. In most cases, it is best to ask before the customer makes a purchase but after they have committed to buying. This could be during the checkout process, where you can offer additional products or services that complement their chosen item. Or you could do it after they have added something to their shopping basket if they are online shopping. However, there are times when it is better to ask after they have made a purchase. For example, if you are selling a product that requires installation, it might be better to ask after they have made the purchase. This way, you can offer installation services as an upsell, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience for the customer. I hope you found this video tutorial on upselling strategies valuable. If you know someone who might benefit from this information, please do them and me a favor and share this video with them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.